Hello all. So we have been talking about the MicroPython thing. So basically in this particular series we will talk how the ESP8266 can be used as an access point or a station. So let us start now. This is how we talk as access point. So access point basically helps you your laptop or mobile to communicate locally to the ESP8266. So basically these access point from where the data transmission to and fro happens locally. Now if you in this scenario the laptop and the mobiles act as a station. If you are talking ESP8266 as a station, then this ESP8266 communicates over gets connected to the Wi-Fi router or the Wi-Fi connectivity, and then similarly the other stations like laptop and mobile also gets connected to the same Wi-Fi router. Now in this scenario there won't be any local access point as we have seen in the first scenario. So everything gets connected over the Wi-Fi. So we will see these scenarios how they connected. So let us connect the ESP8266 board. So as usual this is connected over COM5, and then 115200 is the default setting. Now in this scenario here, if you want to set up this as an access point, for example, initially import network, so that that particular module will be used here. Now if you want to use this as access point, example AP is the variable, and we are going to connect this over WLAN of network dot AP interface. Okay, so access point. So here let us make this active connection active. AP dot active of true. Okay, so now this is active. If we want to check the connectivity over which it is done, you can see here this is how it is connected right now. So let us see the Wi-Fi access point here. See, we are now connected over the access point with the parameters 192.168.4.1. So if we want to use the web REPL to connect in this scenario with a local, so we have set up a password. So now the web REPL is connected. So here what has happened is we have ESP8266 as an access point, and to this laptop if you see we have connected the local connectivity to the ESP8266 or the laptop. Now this is not connected to the internet. So if we want to connect to the internet, we need to connect to the router, which is nothing but the netget that is listed here. So how to make this ESP8266 as a station instead of a access point? So now similarly just import the network as we did previously, and then what we are going to do is we are going to make this connection as a station. So the network function WLAN of previously we have used access point, now we'll use st_if macro. Okay, so this is connected as station. Let us see if it is active or not. If it is active, it returns true. If it is not active, it returns false. It is true, so that means this is configured as a station now instead of access point. So now let us connect to the our Wi-Fi router. So our Wi-Fi router is these are the credentials for the Wi-Fi router. So once we press enter, so it gets connected. Now let us see So you can see here, now we have the IP changed, and then it is connected over the Wi-Fi using the router instead of a ESP8266 as access point. So now what we will do is, let us so here what we configured is a ESP8266 as a station instead of access point. So now let us disconnect this, and if you go here, let us disconnect, and then we'll connect it to the Netgear. So here instead of 192.168 we have 198.168.1.7. so that means we are trying to connect over Wi-Fi. So it got connected. See, now instead of that IP we have this, and if you see here, even the laptop is also connected. So now this is configured as a station. So now let us see if the previous access point facility is still available or not. ESP network function, and then network module basically. Sorry, first we have to import network, otherwise we might have an issue because the network module is not imported. Now we can use ESP, whatever variable name you can use as per your convenience. Here what we are doing is basically we are trying to disable the check the access point connectivity and see if that is still existing or not. ESP active, right? ESP active off. So if it is false, that means this is not configured as an access point. If it is true, it is configured as an access point. So it is still configured as access point. Config off. Okay. What we will do is we will make this false such that sorry, there's a typo here. So that means this is false now. So if you see this now, the entire configuration has changed. Okay, and if you check the active functionality now of the API, now it is false. And parallelly, if you see here, it is still connected to the Wi-Fi, and we are able to change the settings. And one check what we can do here is, let us disconnect this. Okay, and we'll remove and plug in the router again. There is no issue with respect to that. So here what we have done is we have configured the Wi-Fi ESP8266 to connect to the router directly. You can see here we have changed the address, and then we have also disabled the access point functionality. So hope you have got a clarity on how we have to use the ESP8266 as an access point and as a station, and how to configure it. Please drop your comments if you have any questions or any suggestions on the video. Thank you.